So 1996 +8. Stainless mesh grille, badge bar spotlights, chrome wire wheels, badge bar. Allon White's heated sports reclining seats, swivel pins, elbow rail protectors, rod mirror. It's got a Simmons front rail on the windscreen, so the studded hood goes onto a bracket which then clips on here, similar to the Simmons Speedy Fit hood that they do. Walnut rim steering wheel, motor lead to walnut rim steering wheel, walnut dashboard, clock, radio CD, luggage rack, spare wheel cover, previously sold by us. It's got paint protective film just on the seals, as you can just see the outline there, so that's not a scratch, that's the edge of the paint film. Had a radiator repaired carried out by us during the summer, previously sold by us as well. Upgraded aluminium radiator. Bulkhead and balance conditions all very good.